In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color folders in OneDrive and File Explorer. Whether you're looking to spice up your digital organization or simply want to make certain folders stand out for quick access, coloring folders can offer a practical and visually effective solution. Not to mention, it makes everything on your computer look pretty neat too. So, let's get started and transform your files into a colorful and organized space. To begin with, you'll need to download a third-party application called Folder Marker Free. It's a straightforward tool that allows you to change folder icons with easy color coding. Start by visiting the official Folder Marker website and download the application. Simply click the download button, and once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it on your computer. When you're installing, follow the prompts as usual, and make sure to allow any administrator permissions that might pop up. Once Folder Marker Free is successfully installed, you're ready to start customizing your folders. Open the application, and what you'll see is a very user-friendly interface. Don't be intimidated if it's your first time using such a tool. It's quite intuitive, and I'll guide you through it. At the top of the application window, there's an option to select the folder you want to change. Click on this, and navigate through your files to find the specific folder you'd like to color code. With your folder selected, now comes the fun part. In the Folder Marker interface, you'll notice several color options that are simple and straightforward. Pick a color that suits your organizational needs or aesthetic preference. After you've chosen your desired color, hit the Apply button, and just like that, your folder icon will reflect the new color choice. An important thing to note here is that these changes will be visible in both OneDrive and File Explorer. So, regardless of where you access your folders, you'll benefit from the visualization enhancements. Using color coding is particularly helpful if you're working with a large number of folders. It allows you to prioritize tasks or projects based on color, or to differentiate work-related folders from personal ones. If you decide you want to change the colors later, simply repeat the process. You can even use the application to return folders to their original state by selecting the Restore Defaults function in the program. If you run into any issues or the color doesn't immediately update, try refreshing your File Explorer view. Occasionally, changes might need a moment to reflect, especially if you have many applications open. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to enhance your file management system with a splash of color. That wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you're now fully equipped to personalize your digital workspace with ease. Feel free to leave your questions or comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to streamline your tech setup. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.